I'm very excited and I'm very happy to be here to Old Trafford.
To have the opportunity to be able to, work with different sponsors from all over the world, it's a great feeling for the club itself.
When you're a kid, this was the best club, and to be able to come here and be part of the greatest club in the world, all my dreams really came true.
Football brings a lot of passions all across the globe, so I'm quite excited.
One of the important elements of looking for a sponsor to work with was that they had to have global reach, and Manchester United certainly has that global reach.
I hope very much that this partnership will bring us much closer to the customers all across Europe and beyond.